Hello and welcome to Cars and Bikes UK. Today I continue my tour of Northern Wales, and today I'm on the Isle of Anglesey. I'm crossing from mainland Wales into Anglesey using the older of the two bridges. This, the Menai Bridge, opened in 1826. It was the world's first iron suspension bridge. It's 305 metres long with a central span of 177 metres. Later in the video, I'll be returning via the Britannia Bridge. Sit back and enjoy the ride around this beautiful island. Now riding along the A545, along the side of the Menai Straits, heading towards Beaumaris Castle. Looking back over the water there towards the North Wales coastline. Beaumaris Castle. Work on the castle began in 1295 and ceased in 1330 due to a lack of funds, leaving the castle incomplete. Now making my way up to Bull Bay on the north coast of Anglesey. Here we have Bull Bay. Now heading over towards the northwest coast and the port of Holyhead. I'm now coming into the town of Valley, home of RAF Valley, which is where Prince William was based when he used to fly for the Air Sea Rescue. Now going over the Pont Llysymwyn Bridge, which crosses the Cumran Straits into Holyhead. Over to the right you can see the Holyhead to Dublin ferry. Now on my way to the South Stacks Lighthouse. South Stacks Lighthouse was built in 1809. Marking a tiny islet off Anglesey at the northwest tip of Wales. The historic South Stack Lighthouse is located on a small island reached via a descent of 400 steps down the steep mainland cliff. South Stack Rock lies separated from Holyhead Island by 30 metres of turbulent sea. The lighthouse is open to visitors. I'm now making my way down the west coast of the island. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, please click on the like button. If you haven't already subscribed, then please do so. It costs you absolutely nothing, and it does help my channel grow. You can also click on that notification bell so you know when I next upload a video. Now taking the Britannia Bridge back over to mainland Wales. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to click on that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed, click on that subscribe button. Costs you nothing and it does help my channel grow. And click on the notification bell so you'll be notified next time I upload a video. That's all the clickety clicks. See you next week. Bye.